please tell me that your charts are open and you're on US30 and they are on the 2 hour time frame and you're ready for Cold Mansion to do another banger breakdown. So let's get right into it. It's Wednesday and it's 8:47 August 20 and we are gonna get right into this breakdown. So I'm gonna show you a trade that I caught on Monday. I caught a trade on Monday. Didn't push full 4 or full 1 to 5, but we still price push maximum to a 1 to 3. But remember, that is where trade management comes in. But that doesn't mean the strategy doesn't work. It just didn't play out full, but you could have easily made profits on that trade. So I'm going to show you what happened. When I saw a price making these lower highs, I said, okay. If you remember Sunday's breakdown, I said that I never like that we never got a secret sauce zone. But when price made a brand new low again, I said, okay, I'm definitely going to look for sales. And price was pushing from our strong area of support resistance, which is the highest price point as well too, in that 45,000 region. So when price created this new low, and remember how we mark our new lows and new highs here, one price closed below in this case for the new low, and one price confirmed that price was lower than this market structure. So once we saw that, and then price created this lower high, created this lower low. So what we were looking for now was a next lower high to push down, and this is the trade that we took right here. So I'm going to show you how I got that secret sauce zone. And remember, if you want to get the secret sauce, you have to link the Cold Mansion boss. That's the only way that you can get it. So I'm going to show you how I caught it. So take out your pen, your pencil, your notepad, and see how I draw this secret sauce zone. Now remember, it's a secret sauce zone. So we see this secret sauce zone was right here on this candle, and we don't have to ask. We see what price did once it touched our secret sauce zone, and you see it came over here again, touch it and push down. So you know, we're not just capping over here, and we are drawing these zones ahead of time and waiting for price to tap back into them. And if we get our confirmation, that's when we take our trades. And we see how this one played out. We see even a strong spike here. As I said, this is where trade management comes in. But at maximum, price push 180 pips. Clean 180 pips. You could have easily caught something from that. So when the trade is pushing, you can decide if you want to close up for any amount that you wish to. But that is how I caught that trade. So I know you got a lot of gems from that. So just rewind that, watch it over 1,000 times if you have to, until you get it and understand everything. Now we see price is, look, you see how the price is wicking to the top side, wicking to the lower side. So it's not very clear at this moment. The price is a little bit ugly, but if you look at this trend line, price is maintaining higher lows. And remember, when price is creating higher lows at the current moment, it wants to buy. So at the moment now, price is fighting to go up and fighting to go down. So we don't know what it's currently going to do. But based on this little structure right here, we could say that price is creating a lower low now. And the candle has 8 minutes to close. So if price close below, this could be a lower low for price to push now, make a pullback and push down. So price can do that. And that is actually what maybe I would be looking for. Yes, even though price is at this higher low, because it created this low right here now and then push below it and then is failing to go higher, we can watch it now and possibly see if we can catch a buy. But we can't fully confirm that yet, because remember, the candle has 7 more minutes to close and we're not taking it prematurely, because this candle can easily close like this. This candle can easily close like this above right here in a strong wick or even a blue candle, and then that would have changed the market structure. So that is why we are patient to wait on our candles to close on the 2 hour to confirm that that market structure, to say that okay, price closed lower and then it confirmed that it stayed lower. So then we'd be looking for price at the lower high, in this case of the downtrend, at our secret sauce zone, which will be drawing. No, I don't have any to draw, because as I said, I would have to wait on this candle to close. But in case that candle close now, then we're looking for price to make a lower high, possibly if we get to our confirmation at our secret sauce zone. Otherwise, we'll be just waiting for price to build other structures or something like this. So remember, one thing that can help you to catch good trade is always wait on a confirmed breaker structure, not what you think it's going to do or what you want it to do, but wait on a confirmed breaker structure in these cases. Or if it comes to like a support area, a strong support area, you want to take it from there, that's different. But like when you're not sure of the trend, when it's doing things like these, always wait on a confirmed breaker structure. You're not missing out on anything if you wait on a confirmed breaker structure, because that's how you avoid the fake out, those unnecessary fake out trades that if you would have just waited. Because you see how this candle is closing now, let us say we had jumped and say, okay, the market is going to sell, bam, the market pull back, stop us out, and we take an unnecessary loss. So we don't want that. So that's why we wait on our confirmed breaker structure. Then we look at it at our secret sauce zone, and then we wait for the confirmation. And if it gives us, then we are comfortable in letting our system plays out. So that is how I keep things simple. Remember, no rocket science, no Rubik's cube, just simplicity, market structure, support and resistances, all that, and we just put it together now and create a valid story on how we can catch a trade and take that. So if you want me to hold your hand, show you how we break it down, simple like that, remember, click the link in the description or in the pinned comments. I'm going to break it down so simple for you. You're going to understand it so easy and get the simple concepts. And when I show you what to do, you have to have the proper mindset now on how to apply it. And that is where my trading psychology ebook comes in, the ultimate trading psychology guide. It's based on my 5 years of experience in trading, all the things that I've faced and strategies that I've created to help me get better at trading, to stop jumping out of trades, confident to take them, doing all that I created. And it's not something you can find on YouTube and on ChatGPT. You're not gonna find it there. It's all original based on my experiences, which have massively helped me now to have the proper mindset to take my trades. So remember, if you want a copy of that, click the link in the description or in the pinned comments and grab that. And you're gonna see the price is $47, and you're gonna say, whoa, $47 for a little ebook. Remember, if you lost $47 on one trade already, you already paid for the ebook. You just didn't collect it. And then if you lose $47 on a next trade, you would have already paid for the book, but you still wouldn't get no strategies to help you fix that one issue that you're having, that one issue that is holding back your whole trading. It is in the book. I have a strategy in the book to help you. Trading Mindset Fantasy Game, the Victory Jar, 3 steps to solve any problem, that and so much more that I can't give you. You can only pay the $47 and you don't get it. So remember, if you're one of those persons that want to grab anything like that and be a part of Team Cone Mansion, I'm looking forward to see you on the winning team, Team Cone Mansion. Because really, is there another option?